Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. In today's video, you'll learn how to make a natural remedy that will relieve the symptoms of kidney stones and help your body eliminate them. Do you suffer from kidney stones, or have you ever suffered from them? This is a problem that scares most people because of the severe pain it can cause. Many feel a sharp pain in their lower back. Have you ever experienced this pain? Kidney stones are caused by the crystallization of mineral salts in the urine, which combine to form a small stone in the urinary tract. The most common symptoms include burning during urination, cramping near the genital area, blood in the urine, excessive urination, vomiting, or nausea. Fortunately, there are several alternatives in natural medicine that can help treat it, such as coffee, star anise, and Indian goosegrass, Eleusine indica, to improve the urinary tract. Coffee has a diuretic effect and therefore helps the kidneys remove fluid and toxins from the body. According to a study by the Catholic University of the Sacred Heart in Italy, caffeine dilutes urine, preventing the formation of kidney stones. The researchers studied more than 200,000 people and found those who consumed coffee had up to 31% lower risk of kidney stones. Star anise also has a diuretic effect, increasing the production of urine and helping to eliminate toxins and heavy metals that are filtered by the kidneys. Therefore, it helps reduce the risk of kidney stones and eliminate bacteria that can cause urinary tract infections. Indian goosegrass, also known as goosegrass, has a diuretic and anti-inflammatory effect and helps treat diseases that affect the urinary tract, such as kidney stones. Now write down the ingredients for the recipe. 1 cup of water, 4 star anise, 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Put the water in the pot, the star anise, and bring it to a boil. With this infusion, you then prepare a coffee as if you were making regular coffee. Put the powder in a sieve or paper filter and strain it together with the anise tea. Take this treatment in the morning or on an empty stomach, and at night before going to bed for 15 days. To continue the treatment, prepare an infusion of goosegrass. Wash it very well and boil it in 2 liters of water. Let it cool and drink this infusion during the day when you're thirsty. Did you know about this mixture? This treatment helps to relieve the symptoms of kidney stones and also eliminate them faster. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.